Good morning, guys. Welcome to another episode of my tutorial. I will be using this medium to take us on how to install our Betty on our local machine. And please just follow the step together. Please ensure that you are not using your uh, command prompt. You can use your Ubuntu terminal. For those that are using Windows laptop, so please just make sure that you have get your Ubuntu 20.0 installed on your local computer. Thank you very much. Now let's get to the work. First and foremost, if we come here, please see what I need to do here is that I need to get my sorry, I want to use kind of now this will help us faster. Now the first thing we need to do is to run the Betty Linter. So now just with command Betty and define it, then go to Betty repository. Let's check. They should have give us a Betty repository that they want us to use. Yeah, fine. Now the next thing I need to do, I want to clone it into my local computer. Then clone the repo to your local machine. That's what I want to do now. Git clone. Sorry, git clone. Then cloning into Betty. That let's just wait for it. Let me wait for. Then the next thing is to cd into Betty directory. That is what we just do just now. Now is cloning into Betty, so let's wait for it. Now we are in the Betty. Now the next thing we need to do, let me just bring this to the other side so that we'll see what we are doing here. Now clone the repo. We have cloned the repo, then cd into Betty. Cd into Betty. We are inside our Betty now. Then let's ls so that they said we should do install the linter with sudo. Then let's just copy this command and paste it here. Then enter. My sudo password, let me just enter it. Yeah, I'm installing. It's installing now. Welcome back. I've get my sudo installed. Now the next thing we need to do is to ensure that we can use vi of any one of this. We are going to copy this command and paste it into our new file that we created called Betty. Then just say vi. I'm using vi here, Betty. I hope you can see that. Okay, then I press I, then I paste this command that I've typed, then I escape it, I save. Now what's the next command? So after we once save, exit file and change permission, then you just change the permission. Say ch mod a plus x Betty. Now that one has been done. Now I want to move the Betty file into bin directly or somewhere else on your computer. Now let's just copy this. Let's just say sudo mv Betty space bin. Now done. Now the next thing we need to do is a Betty test. Let's say Betty, what is my current directory? Okay, let me go back to this. I think I'm getting something wrong. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.